Intermediate Mobile Device Repair, or IMDR for short, is a 4.5-day classroom training course. To attend the course, we will need you to have previously completed our mobile device repair training. On IMDR, you'll learn how to use visual inspection in combination with board view software to identify surface-mounted components on a printed circuit board. Experienced trainers will show you how to take board-level measurements using a multimeter in order to locate faulty components and trace possible short circuits. You'll get hands-on experience with hot air and micro-soldering stations to remove and replace faulty components in order to restore devices to a working state. Our repair courses are taught with 2 trainers and up to 8 students in our well-equipped classroom located at the Electronics Group's premises in Leeds. In the classroom, delegates benefit from their own lab bench with high-quality micro-soldering station, digital microscope, hot air station, and bench power supply. The trainer's microscope is connected to a large-screen TV at the front of the classroom, meaning that students get an excellent view of techniques being demonstrated. Students can choose from a wide range of hot and cold sandwich options, along with tea and coffee provision in a separate breakout area. Accommodation is available within walking distance of the training venue and close to an array of restaurants and bars in the popular Headingley area.